There aren't many times when I'm working in Illustrator that I'm not working on more than one document at a time, or that I don't have more than one document open so that I can drag objects from one document to another. So in this movie, I'm going to show you how to have multiple documents open and also how to navigate those multiple documents. So you open multiple documents just by going to the File menu and choosing Open. You can open just about as many as you need. Chances are you're probably not going to need more than probably 5 or 6 open at any given time, but hey, if you need more than that, you've got the space to do so. Just know that each document that you open up is going to take up a little bit more of your resources on your computer, and switching between them might get to be a little hectic, especially if you run out of space up here to see all of the different titles of the documents you have open. Now, once you have those documents open, you can switch between them very quickly by just clicking on the tab with the name of the document that you want to go to. So for instance, if I want to switch from Hot Rod Poster to Donut, I click where it says Donut, and now I have the donut on my screen. I can go back to the Hot Rod Poster anytime by clicking on the Hot Rod Poster tab, and it navigates me back to that document. In addition to this, I can also change the way I view these documents in the document window by going right up here and clicking on the Arrange Documents button. Once I click on the Arrange Documents button, I'm going to have several different options. For Consolidate, that means show them one at a time, tile all of them in a grid, tile all of them vertically, tile all of them horizontally, split them 2 up vertically, or split them 2 up horizontally. Let's see exactly what this looks like. I'll go ahead and split it 2 up vertically. That's going to show me the Hot Rod Poster over here on the left and allow me to independently work with it, and also the donut over here on the right and allow me to independently work with it as well. You will notice in order to do something in these document windows, I actually have to make it the active window first. So if I want to work with the donut, for instance, I have to click on donut and then I can move around. If I want to work on the hot rod, I click on the Hot Rod Poster, then I can move it around. This is just a way of having multiple documents open at the same time, but yet being able to view them as well. This is particularly useful if you have multiple versions of a file that you want to compare. So maybe you've changed the text on this Hot Rod Poster from blue to red, and you want to see what that looks like compared to the other. That way you can have both of them up, you can match the zoom levels, and you could do a very quick comparison right here inside of the document window. You'll notice in this drop-down menu up here that it has several other options for 3 up, 4 up, etc. That's all based on how many documents you have open. So, of course, I can't do 6 up right now because I don't have 6 documents open. But if you did, you could arrange them just like this using these grids that you have from this drop-down menu. If at any time you want to go back to just a single document view, just click Consolidate All, and that'll snap everything back to its original place where you can then click between the tabs to navigate the documents. There aren't many times when I'm working in Illustrator that I'm not working on more than one document at a time, or that I don't have more than one document open so that I can drag objects from one document to another.